Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set up Facebook data saver settings. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Facebook app and tap on this 3-line icon to the top right corner and tap on settings and scroll down and search for media and contacts. Here you will get media and contact section and tap on photo quality, and here you'll find data saver mode. So all you have to do is just toggle on this to enable data saver, and you can turn on and off autoplay when you are using Wi-Fi only, and also you can select on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and then go back from here and tap on sounds. Also here you can turn on and off data saver mode and tap on autoplay video, and also from here you can turn on and off data saver mode. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.